Hello friends, in chapter number 7, control and coordination, let's take the information about hormones. First we study what is the chemical communication or hormonal coordination. Hormonal coordination are a special type of compounds, it is called hormones. Specific molecules on hormones have specific molecules on their surface to binding the sites. The activity of hormones are slower, but it take all the cells to give the coordination. Hormonal activity. Hormones can be work both in plants and animals. They, in comparison of neurons, they can be steady and persistent. Let's see first hormone in plant. In plant, hormone can helpful in the coordination for growth, development and response through outer environment. In plant, hormone it is helpful in the coordination for growth, development and response from the outer environment. In plant hormone, they can be divided into mainly two types. First is growth promoting hormones. There are three types of growth promoting hormone can be present in plants. They are auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin. Auxin is responsible for the development of shoot tip in the plant. It can secreted, mainly the amount of auxin can be present in the shadow area of the plant. It can be developed it can be secreted in the opposite side of light. Let's see. When shoot tip can be developed, the secretion of auxin can be, when light is present, the secretion of auxin can be developed in this side. So it help towards the development of plant towards the light, and development of shoot tip can be occur. So plant can shows and in plant shoot tip can bend towards light. Towards is important for auxin. I can repeat, auxin can be secreted not in the direction of light, it can be secreted by shadow area of the shoot, and development of the responsible for the shoot tip. With the help of auxin can secreted in shadow area, so it get pressure for the development of shoot tip, and in the presence of auxin, development of auxin, shoot tip can be bent towards the light. Gibberellin is the also growth promoting hormone, and it can be responsible for development of stem. Third type of growth promoting hormone, it is called cytokinin. It can be helpful for when which areas, which organs can be needed more type of cell division, like fruit and seeds more develop areas, more developed parts. The cytokinin can be present. It can be help in the cell division rapidly. The second part of plant hormone, it is called growth inhibiting hormone. They are good promoting hormones. One hormone can inhibit the growth of plant. It is called abscisic acid. In short form, it will be called ABA, abscisic acid. It can inhibit the activity of plant. It inhibits the activity of growth of leaves. The presence of abscisic acid, leaves can be wilting, or you called it falls down. So as we know, all the activities of plant can be responsible only occurred with the help of hormone. Plants can depended only hormonal activity. So growth, development and outer response all can be controlled and occur by hormone. Growth promoting hormones are three types: auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin. One growth inhibit hormone, and it is called abscisic acid. Let's some in-text question. What is the difference between sensitive plant and suit towards the light? We already study in theory difference. Sensitive plant, we take example of mimosa. Family of mimosa is called touch-me-not plant. Sensitivity of plant is quickly. In comparison of towards light is slower. The example of sensitive plant is called touch-me-not. And shoot towards the light, always show positive phototropism is dependent on the factor of light. In sensitive plant, all activity can be dependent on hormones, on the amount of water, and in shoot towards light, the activity depended on light. The second question is, which is the growth promoting hormone? The growth promoting hormone is responsible for growth promote is auxin. how the development of tendril in auxin play which type of role in the development of tendril, as we see in the example of pea plants. The tendrils can develop opposite to object, not base of the object. So auxin can develop with the tendril and they can helpful for the opposite direction of the object. Another question is to study the hydrotropism with the activity. In text question, here we write the hydrotropism to study hydrotropism with the help of activity. As we know about hydrotropism, the stimulus is water. So we take 2 beakers to do the activity. In beaker A, we take 1/3 part of clay and put a cutting part of plant and in another beaker we take same amount of clay and we take the glass of water in it and take same cutting part of the plant. Let's repeat again. In beaker A and beaker B, take 1/3 part of clay. We put the clay in the beaker A and B. We take some plant cutting in the beaker A and beaker B. In beaker A, we add water but in beaker B, we cannot add water. We cannot add water. We allowed it to dry and put a glass of water in it. What we do in beaker A we add some amount of water simultaneously, but in beaker B we cannot add water. We allow the clay to dry and put a glass of water near the cutting. Let's write the apparatus for few days. And then observe it. When we take the clay, we observe the position of root. After few days, what will be observed? Position of roots. The observation says us that in beaker A, the root can develop straight. The root can be developed at straight direction. But in beaker B, the roots can be developed when the direction of water glass, you can call it, towards the direction of root can be developed towards the direction of water glass. In beaker A, the roots can be developed in straight direction, but in beaker B, root can be developed from the direction of water towards the water glass, because the plant shows hydrotropism. So the conclusion is that root shows always positive hydrotropism and should shows always negative hydrotropism. Here we see the chemical communication or hormonal coordination. Plants hormone, 4 type of plants hormone can be present in plant. 3 type are growth promoting and 1 is growth inhibiting, and 1 activity to shows the root shows always positive hydrotropism and shoot shows negative hydrotropism.